Good morning. Good morning. We'll see. We have seen the preparation of iodine in few reactions. We'll see some more, like two to three. Only two are there. That we'll see. The reaction between, as we have seen for HBr, similar reaction is prevailed for even HI also. So KMNO for sulfuric acid plus HI, because HI is said to be a better reducing agent, undergoes oxidation with this mixture. The question can be framed is what are ABCDs? Or one product can be asked. Right. So initially reaction occurs between these two. This we have seen number of times. You get is potassium sulfate, normal salt, neutral salt, whose pH value is correctly 7. The other one is manganese sulfate, which is acidic salt according to hydrolysis reactions. Manganese sulfate, acidic salt, neutral one, and unbonded oxygen. For balancing, 3 moles, 2 moles, 2 MnSO4, 3 H2O, 5 nascent, HI plus oxygen. You need not take any acid here, because as it is an acid, non-oxy acid. 2 moles. This gives us water plus iodine. So you are getting is 5 nascent, no? Multiply with 5. So 10 HI plus 5 nascent oxygens gives 5 water, 5 iodines. So net reaction, 5 nascent cancel, 2 KMNO for 3 sulfuric acid, 10 moles of HI gives K2SO4, 2 MnSO4 plus 8 water plus 5 iodines. That's all. You get iodine by this way also. So these can be asked, no? Any one of the product can be asked. Or sum of the coefficients of product obtained is that when this equation is balanced. When this equation is balanced, number of moles of HI oxidized is 10 moles of HI is completely oxidized. Oxidized can be identified. -1 state here, 0 state here, indicating that compound is oxidized. Compound is underwent reduction from this way, from +7 to +2. Number is decreased by 5 units. 5 units. Okay? Can you copy down? Make it fast. Make it fast. I'll write one more potassium dichromate reaction. Fast గా రాసుకోండి. I hope completed. Writing second reaction. Potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate plus sulfuric acid plus HA gives X plus Y plus Z plus Z1. So now potassium dichromate plus sulfuric acid mixture is good oxidizing agent associated with positive SRP value. Positive SRP value you get is potassium sulfate, normal salt. Chromium sulfate is an acidic salt. Chromium sulfate is an acidic salt in water solution. You get is oxygen for balancing 4 moles. 4H2O, you get is 3 nascent oxygen. You can check the number of oxygen atoms. So now HI plus oxygen. HI plus oxygen. HI plus oxygen. 2 moles. H2O plus iodine. You're getting is 3 nascent. Multiply with 3. 6 HI, 3 nascent oxygens, 3 water, plus 3 moles of iodine. I hope it is adjusted, balanced. Now 3 nascent gets cancelled. 3 nascent gets cancelled. Net reaction. Net reaction is K2 Cr2O7 plus 4 moles of sulfuric acid plus 6 moles of HI. This gives us K2SO4, Cr2SO4 taken thrice, plus 7 moles of water, plus 3 moles of iodine. That's all. Now this is second preparation of iodine. That's all. Now properties will take up. Properties of iodine. Properties of iodine. Heading. Finish that. Chemical properties of iodine. Properties of iodine. Properties of iodine. Reacts with H2 plus I2, we have seen HI. Of course, equilibrium reaction. Phosphorus reacts with iodine. You get is phosphorus triiodide. This we get. Even iron also reacts with iodine. You get is ferric iodide. Ferric iodide. Ferric iodide. Magnesium reacts with iodine. Magnesium iodide. When iodine is not soluble in water, but slightly soluble in water. Solubility can be increased by adding potassium iodide solution. We have seen already. Slightly soluble in water, you get is HI plus HIO, hypoiodous acid. Hypoiodous acid. Unstable acid. Unstable acid gives HI plus unbonded oxygen. HIO gets cancelled. I2 plus water gives 2HI plus oxygen. E is an oxidizing agent. Oxidizes. Sodium sulfide plus oxygen gives sodium sulfate. That's all. Now the reaction is unbonded cancel. So Na2SO3 plus iodine plus water gives 2HI plus Na2SO4. 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 Same manner, say we take is Na3ASO3. Sodium arsenide. Sodium arsenide plus this oxygen. Means I am not taking as it is I am taking. I2 plus water. Final reaction. You get is 2HI plus Na3AsO4. Sodium arsenide to arsenate. Plus 3 to plus 5. 0 to minus 1. This is reduction. This is oxidation. Oxidation. Copy down. Shall I rub it? Look for completed. Right. Abhiram and Shanmukha. Right. We'll see. Look here. Iodine plus water gives HI, HIO. HIO dissociates to HI plus oxygen. Cancellation as usually. I2 plus H2O gives 2HI plus oxygen. Then I am supplying a reductant is ferrosulfate. When ferrosulfate is taken, should take a sulfuric acid, oxygen. This gives ferric sulfate. In sulfate, sulfur has no chance to rise the oxidation state. So iron has got the chance to rise the oxidation state to ferric sulfate plus 3 state. Plus you get is what? Correctly adjusted, you can have a glance. 13 oxygens, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. 3 4 are 12 plus 1, 13. Unbonded cancel. So I2 plus H2O plus 2 moles of ferrous sulfate. Water also gets cancelled. Water also gets cancelled. So because this is there in entire solution. FeSO4, 2FeSO4 plus sulfuric acid gives ferric sulfate. Ferric sulfate plus 2 moles of HA. Ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate. Ferrous sulfate to ferric sulfate. We'll take up I2 plus water gives, even you can write like this also. Okay, I'm writing as usual. HI plus HIO. HIO breaks into HI plus oxygen. We'll take a potassium iodide. Potassium iodide plus sulfuric acid plus oxygen is potassium, potassium sulfate, potassium sulfate, potassium sulfate plus 2HI. This 2HI plus oxygen, water plus iodine. So this is also preparation of iodine, you can say rather 2HI, 2HI, nascent, nascent, HIO, HIO, water, water. The leftover is I2 plus 2Ki plus sulfuric acid gives potassium sulfate, potassium sulfate plus 2 moles of HI plus iodine. Iodine gets cancelled, no? You don't take this reaction. We'll get iodine here only. I'll give you one more. Iodine plus water gives HI, HIO, HIO dissociates HI plus oxygen. If it is H2S, you get is HIO, you get is no. H2O plus sulfur. H2O plus sulfur. So direct reaction. Direct reaction. Oxygen gives water plus sulfur. Precipitation. Now what are the things can be cancelled? This. So now I2, water cancel. Direct reaction. H2, I2 plus H2S gives 2HI plus sulfur. Plus sulfur. Now I am taking sulfur dioxide. H2O gives 2HI. ఇట్లా కూడా రాయండి ఒక స్టెప్ తగ్గించుకోవచ్చు. One step can be reduced. Sulfur dioxide plus oxygen. You get sulfur trioxide. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur dioxide dissolves in water. Gives sulfuric acid. So net reaction, sulfur dioxide, oxygen. So now I2 plus sulfur dioxide cancel. Sulfur dioxide plus 2 moles of water gives 2 moles of water gives sulfuric acid plus 2 moles of H. Copy down this. Are you getting now? Okay, responsibility. Are you getting now? Yes. Right, Nana. Battery weekend. Yes. So one more reaction. This reaction is asked is in previous MSET 2 to 3 times. 2 to 3 times. If you take for the last 15 to 20 years, Na2S2O3 sodium thiosulfate plus iodine. This gives sodium iodide, sodium tetrathionate, 2 moles, 2 moles, 4 sulfurs, 2 iodines. Right. This is sodium tetrathionate. ఇది previous MSET question, not means. ఇది sodium tetrathionate. Sodium tetrathionate. Question was asked in the previous. Structurally, like this. Sodium tetrathionate. If you want to write the structure, no, go for the corresponding acid. Na2S4O6. This is sodium tetrathionate. Sodium tetrathionate. Corresponding acid should be H2S4O6. This is tetrathionic acid. Tetrathionic acid. Tetrathionic acid. Structure writing turns easy when basicity is known. This technical point I told you. What is the basicity? Please keep that many OH groups to the central atom or atoms. Central atoms are sulfurs. Keep sulfurs terminal places. That is dibasic acid. One OH group, one OH group. Still we have is 2 more sulfurs. Sulfur. Sulfur. Agreed? Still we have is 4 more oxygens. Oxygen, 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 oxygen. Look for oxidation states of sulfur. Terminal sulfurs will exhibit is +5. Central sulfurs will exhibit is 0. Average goes to fractional 2.5. Look, 2 balances towards this side. You get oxygen -2. Any possibility?